But I think the most important thing is making sure that companies have responsible use of video surveillance. Responsible in terms of how they manage the system, having a stringent audit trail in terms of who's used the system. I think they're the important things in terms of video surveillance, not necessarily whether you should or should not have cameras, but if there is a need for it, to make sure that it's responsibly used. And I think we've seen how it can help to build a more secure and safer world. And while of course there is some negativity towards cameras, very much on the mindset, I mean, I've recently had a son, and you think, okay, as a family, if an incident occurred where surveillance could actually, protect you or capture an incident, I'd be totally in favour of it. So long as the system is used responsibly, and there is actually a business need for having those cameras. And I think the interesting trend for me is it's very focused on surveillance, but I also see things like health and safety compliance. If you take regulations, if you're a lone worker, there are health and safety compliance that employers have to actually address. And an example could be someone in a petrol station. Someone comes in, a camera which has actually got an audio analytic embedded inside the camera, detects aggressive tones, immediately pushes out video to a remote monitoring station to notify them that potentially there could be an incident. So here you're using surveillance to comply with regulations, but actually protect people from a health and safety perspective. So I think network video is, because it's so flexible, it actually will open up different avenues as to what you can do. And I think that will then open up a different discussion and perhaps on what we need to do from a regulatory perspective in terms of video surveillance.